Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to make a creamy mushroom, rosemary and pea or risotto. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So into a saute pan we're going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil, pop it onto a medium heat, and to that we're going to add 250 grams of chestnut mushrooms, one onion that's been finely diced, and we're going to saute them for about 10 minutes just until the mushrooms and onions are cooked. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of very finely chopped rosemary and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. We'll cook those for about 30 seconds, and then to that we're going to add 300 grams of dried orzo. Just give that a quick stir around just to get all the flavours incorporated, and then to that we're going to add 50 millilitres of good quality white wine. And then 700 millilitres of good quality chicken stock. Homemade is best, but if not, just use a stock cube. Give that a stir around and we'll let that cook on a rapid simmer for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes and our orzo is nearly cooked, we're going to add 150 grams of frozen peas and another 200 millilitres of good quality chicken stock. We'll just give that a stir around and let that cook for about another 5 minutes until the orzo is fully cooked. Now folks, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I can make more videos for you. Now that our orzo is fully cooked, we're going to season liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper, and then to that we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of half-fat creme fraiche. Now we're going to give that a quick stir around. Just keep it moving until the creme fraiche melts and all the orzo is quite creamy. Now once the creme fraiche is all melted, it's time to serve our mushroom, pea and rosemary or risotto. You just take it into a bowl and then we're going to top it with some fresh rosemary sprigs. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for mushroom, pea and rosemary or risotto. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.